What is English?
English is a language, but I quite say to English is not just a language. English is the skill. English has a four sector: writing, listening, reading, and speaking. So English, that is English. Then, how much important of English can you say?
Yeah, English is so important that we cannot do well. We cannot give a single movement of English. If you go another country, you must need English. If you do not know English, you cannot live properly.
Oh, how much impact of Bangladesh recently in English?
Yeah, of course. If we know English, we can get good job and educational sector. We can rewrite our exams properly, and we can get full marks of basic of knowing English.
Oh, it's good. Have you ever heard about English?
No.
So I have a question for you. How much important of English in job sector can you say?
Yeah, of course. If you do not good English, if you do not know good English, we cannot get a good job. Different kinds of big company have basic of good basic of in English.
Yeah, I can add another question in this answer. So, how much explores of your interview phase? So phase by phase. So how much important that is time? So.
Yeah, of course, if of course we do not know properly English, do you tell me if you go?
Yeah, it's okay. So I have a question. I have a last question for you. How can I learn speaking English? So may you help me?
Of course, you can go different kinds of club. Here it is big. Famous known as Rural Club, English Language Club, and Speak Up and CLC. It's better. One of them is better. Rural Club English Language Club.
Yeah. I can follow another things.
Of course, yeah. You can see different kinds of English movie, and they have big subtitle, and you can know properly English. And another is cricket commentary box.
Yeah.
And you can read science fiction in English and different types of story books.
Yeah, that's okay. Thank you so much for your beautiful question and beautiful answer. That's okay. Nice to meet you.
Thank you.